different manufacturers and how much is the cost we will see now. Then I will show you some of the videos, and if you have any doubts you can ask me. um, Already time is 12:20, and we'll try to close it max by 1:45. um, okay, I will show you some of the machinery data. So the first one is a stone crusher. This is how it looks. It is used for crushing the stones, and the cost of this comes close to 3 lakhs per one component. And you have the manufacturers from company called Star Trace Private Limited, Tamil Nadu. They manufacture this stone crusher. And I was explaining you the jar type. Okay. So you have the two jars. One is a movable jar, and the one is a stationary jar. And this stone crusher is been having a jar type is having different capacity, which ranges between uh, 15 to 350 tons per hour. And you see here, this has been sold by a company called Rojak Asia Limited in Rajasthan. And the cost of this jar type is going to be 30 lakh per unit. And you have the jar crusher again, which is having 1 lakh rupee per piece. It's been manufactured by Lakshmi Infab Private Limited, Gujarat. And again, depending upon the size, and then depending upon the requirement, you can also purchase your machines. You see, this is the jar crusher, which is being manufactured by Eco Grinding Center in Tamil Nadu. And the cost is not given, but I have some of the catalog. I can also send it to you. You can send me. Some of you can also send your email to me. I will send my mobile number, and also I will send you my email ID. I will also show you at the end of the presentation, so that you can email me or you can even call me. Um, so that we can. Means I can also send you some of the technical specification or catalog. And this PPT I will be giving to IAI coaching chapter representatives. So they will be emailing it to you, so that you can also have this as a reference for your engineers, and also for you to have some understanding. You have the next one called jar crusher. Again, you see here, this is the stones of required shape, forming a shape of a cone. This jar crusher is been done by a company called Automatic Stone Crusher Plant, where you have a capacity up to 50 TPH, and TPH is nothing but tons per hour. Okay, so 50 tons can be carried out. 50 tons of stones can be crushed in an hour. So the cost here is 50 lakhs per unit. And again, you need to select depending upon the capacity. And if you go with low capacity, the cost is going to be lower, and accordingly, you can also have your strategy. We have a jar crusher, which is again being manufactured by a company called JMB Industries in Delhi. And the cost is again, this can be also a portable one. And this is going to be 55,000 per unit. There are some other manufacturing includes Rocktuck Engineers Stone Crushing. Here again, the capacity is going to be between 150 TPH to 250 TPH. And you see, the cost is 123 lakhs. But whereas we have even for a 50 TPH, we have seen something the cost is going to be something 55 lakhs. So, but considering the capacity is at the higher side, still this is it seems to be having the cost worth respect to the capacity and then the cost. So that's why you need to select the machines considering the cost as well as the requirements, whether it is fulfilling your requirement or not. But I am not saying which is best or that is best, but it is you need to select according to your requirement and application. And you have a company called Sai Engineering Compressor from Haryana. The cost is going to be 50 lakhs per unit. And again, depending upon the requirements, it is again even it can be you can get it with 10 lakhs per unit. The company name is MRB Engineering Works. The cone crusher, again, I told you about the GCO grinding center. Here, cost is going to be 8.5 lakhs per piece. And you have the stone crusher cone. Again, this has been manufactured with a company called Lakshmi Infab Private Limited Stone Crusher. And they have the internal model name LCC for stone press. And the cost is going to be 30 lakhs per piece. And this is a stone cone crusher, and it comes with 54 lakhs by a company called Creative Enterprises Rajasthan. You have the cone crusher having the capacity between 150 to 200 TPH, where the cost is going to be 75 lakhs per unit. And second, I'm ensuring whether my voice is audible or not. Okay. The capacity is going to be 150 to 200 TPH. It is being sold by Agarwala brand of BPA projects, which is located in Uttar Pradesh. I'm coming to the next category called dosers. This is what the dosers is all about. I was telling about the doser, which can be attached to a tractor, and the doser is nothing but the one which is having the bucket with a bigger size blade, is the blade, and this doser can be done with some Sanjay Udyag farm truck tractor fitted with doser. The cost of this doser equipment is going to be 60,000, which is being sold by a company called Sanjay Udyag, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. And we have the crawler doser. This is the crawler one where you have the chain type. Chain type. No, it's not a wheel type here. Okay, and this has been sold by a company called Caterpillar India Private Limited. And the fuel tank, the tank capacity of this is going to be 424 liter, and see again, Mahindra and Mahindra, means it is located in Maharashtra, is also doing the doses with backhoe loader. The cost is going to be 25 lakhs. And FR Solutions Private Limited is having the dosers which has been coming with the rate of 65 lakhs per unit. Sri Guru Krupa Traders from Maharashtra is also manufacturing doser, which comes around 30 lakhs per piece, where the engine power is going to be 200 horsepower. The operating horsepower is going to be 200 horsepower, which is the engine power, and the weight of this doser is going to be 30 tons. Okay. You have a crawler doser. where the cost is going to be 50 lakhs per piece. It is being sold by Resik Automotive. It is located in Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. We have the construction excavator, which is been done by a company called Hyundai. So I will show you some of the video in which you can also find some of the construction excavators equipments as well. It is being done by Hyundai company. And the cost of this is going to be 43 lakhs per unit. It is having a center frame. You can see it is a center frame having a X leg type. It will be X leg type, and the maximum engine power for this application is going to be 105 horsepower. Or it is in terms of kilowatt, it is 78 kilowatt. It is running at a speed of 2200 RPM. And this is as per the standards. Okay, you have different standards according to that, because the standards you need to maintain when you go for a construction activities. The operating weight of this equipment is going to be 30,790 kilogram. This has been sold by a company, as I said, it's Hyundai Construction Equipment Private Limited, which is located in Maharashtra. We have a hydraulic excavator, which is again been manufactured by a company called Hyundai, and the cost is going to be 45 lakhs per unit. And this has been sold by Unity Earth Tech Haryana. We have a Cobalco digger. The price is going to be 65 lakh per unit, and the maximum operating, it is the Cobalco vehicle, the digger. We call this as a Cobalco excavator. Okay, you can see how it's been used. And the maximum operating weight is going to be 22,800 kilogram, and the maximum engine power is 158 horsepower, and the fuel tank capacity of this vehicle is 220 liters, and the maximum torque is going to be 592 Newton meter. And the same hydraulic excavator is also being manufactured by a company called Volvo, where the price is going to be 75 lakh per unit, and maximum operating weight is 20,000 kg. Maximum engine power called horsepower is going to be 140 horsepower. And this is a good application where this can be used for a rock type application, wetland type, even you can use it for riverside application, excavation application. And here the maximum bucket capacity, you also need to select the capacity of this. So here the maximum bucket capacity is going to be 1 cubic meter, and the engine type is going to be water cooled intercooler, and the width, the width, this is you have the width here, shoe width you call below this, and the width is going to be 400 mm. Okay, and when you go for one more excavator called a long boom, this is excavator. I mean, the boom is going to be long. Okay, this is the boom I told you. When I was explaining the different parts, I told you the boom, and when it is on the higher side, you call this as a long boom excavators. And the cost is going to be excavator cost. Okay, not the complete vehicle, only this excavator is going to be 4 lakh per set, and this can be attached to an excavator. And the brands, the different brands, okay, JCB, Komatsu, and the company called Anand Engineering Works, they manufacture these boom excavators. And this can be attached to this machine, which is being manufactured from JCB or Komatsu or Sari. Okay. And even you have the sales service availability, and we also have the warranty. And this is the company is located in Faizabad. See, you go for a hydraulic excavator, which is been manufactured by a Hyundai, which is a used machine. Still, it comes. They also have a R210 model, which has been a used one, and the cost is going to be 55 lakh per unit. You see how this excavator looks. This is also having a new economic mode, and with having a good control over fuel efficiency and is having good savings as well. And the maximum operating weight is going to be 21,000 kilogram, and the maximum engine power is going to be 150 horsepower at 1900 RPM. And the working area here, it can be applied for a rock type application, forest type application, a desert type, or a wetland, or even for some of the riverside application, and even for coal bulldozing type you can use this. This is a backhoe front end loader. You can see the vehicle. Capacity is going to be 15,500 kilogram, and the cost is 2.25 lakh per piece. And the gross power of this product is 72 horsepower at 1800 RPM, and the maximum operating weight is going to be 5,000 kilogram, and the maximum dig depth, maximum it can dig up to 1000 mm, and again the bucket capacity is going to be 1 cubic meter. You have the battery which comes around 12 volts, and the material is going to be mild steel. And the manufacturer is Hari Singh Sharma Industry, which is located in Madhya Pradesh, in a place called RJ Puram, in Maharajpura industrial area. This is a tractor JCB. You are a tractor backhoe loader. This is a tractor with backhoe loader, and the bucket rated capacity is 0.6 cubic meter, whereas in the previous cases we have seen the bucket capacity as 1 cubic meter. So according to that requirement, you can select your thing as well. And this cost comes around 6 lakh per unit, and maximum it can reach up to 12 feet, and the dumping height is going to be 9 feet, and the digging depth is going to be 7 feet. Maximum operating height is going to be 12 feet, and is manufactured in a company called Chandrayan Gutta, Hyderabad. And this is a yes backhoe loader, and the price is going to be 24 lakh per piece, and the engine power is going to be 76 horsepower, and the warranty is going to give us 12 months, and the gross power is 76 horsepower at 2200 RPM, and the battery, you have two battery, each having 12 volts, and the dumping angle is 42 degree. And you have a EcoExcellence backhoe loader, which is coming under a brand of JCB, and this cost is 27 lakh per unit. And you see this is the vehicle, and this is the ES backhoe loader, and this is the JCB backhoe loader with the name of EcoExcellence backhoe loader. And here the maximum the digging is maximum going to be 4.77 mm, and the maximum pump flow rate is going to be 118 lpm, because this is again hydraulic one, so it needs to have the flow rate which is coming as 118 lpm. We also have the sales service available, and it can reach at full height to a sleeve center of almost 2.74 mm meter, sorry, it's 2.74 meter. And this equipment is being manufactured in a company called Yantraman Atomic Private Limited, Baroda, you call it. Okay. You have a bull backhoe loader. It is the backhoe loader, where this comes with a 76 horsepower, and each unit or each equipment cost is almost 23 lakh per unit, and the bucket capacity of this loader is going to be 1 cubic meter, and the gross power is going to be 76 horsepower at 2200 RPM. And you also have either you can go with the first newly operated new loader, or you can go with a second-hand loader as well. When you are going for a second-hand loader, you also need to ensure that all the performance are being met. Then you buy the second-hand. You need to do the proper audit. Then you have to go for the purchase of the second-hand also. It's not mandated that you have to go for a new purchase. Even you can go for a second-hand also, because But again, you need to ensure that what will be the working condition, then you can go for it. And this company, the manufacturer is RBS Global Trading Private Limited. They have the dealership in Electronic City as well, in a place called Bangalore. It's again a very good company. The Escorts, you might have heard of this company. They also manufacture this backhoe loader, and they come up with same specification of 76 horsepower at 2,200 RPM, and each cost is 19.95 lakh per unit. Engine oil is going to be having a capacity of 11.5 horsepower, and fuel tank capacity is going to be 134 liters, and the rear axle oil is 17.1 liters, and the max flow, you have the two pumps, which means you have the, the hydraulic operator one for a back and another one for a front. So the pump rating is going to be 117.5 at the rate of 2,200 RPM, and the hydraulic system oil is going to have a 150 liter capacity. And this has been manufactured with a company called the Catalyst Engineering Service, which is located in New Delhi. This is the JCB backhoe loader. You have a cubic capacity of cubic meter capacity of 1.8. It's slightly higher than other. Like we have seen 0.6 and 1, but here the backhoe bucket capacity is 1.8 cubic meter. And accordingly, the cost is slightly higher because the bucket size is higher. So unlike we have seen 18 or 22, now here it is 24.5. Because again, the corresponding cost increases because of the increase what you have for your the size increase. Okay, and is coming up with the brand JCB, and the loader capacity of bucket is 1.8, as I said, and the maximum operating weight is going to be 5,000 kilogram, and maximum dig depth is going to be 2,000 millimeter, and this is being manufactured in a company called Vintage Infra Equipment Solutions Private Limited, which is located in Gujarat, place called Bharuch, Ankleshwar. This is the backhoe loader of JCB, where the specification is 72 horsepower at 1,800 RPM, and it is having the different traveling speed. It can be with either forward with 6.1, 9.1, and 9.8 or 21 or 40 kilometer per hour, and the fuel tank capacity is going to be 128 liter. And this has been manufactured with a company called Sakti Earth Movers Limited Liability Private Limited, located in Begusarai in Bihar. The one what we have seen is a tipper used for the transport purpose for handling the material. Commercial vehicles is basically called as a commercial vehicle, and this Tata company, the brand of Tata Signa 2823 tipper, they're using this as a tipper for roads and bridge construction activities. Each vehicle cost is 42.89 lakhs, and is going to have a 9-speed gearbox, and the fuel tank is with the capacity of 300 liters. We have the clutch is 380 diameter. Is going to be a push type. It's a single plate dry friction organic lining material, organic lining friction material it is having. Yeah, the overall weight of the vehicle is 25,000 kilogram. Okay. This is the overall weight of the complete vehicle. And the gradability, it can also go with some gradability with climbing the gradient. It's almost 29%. And the brand is going to be Tata Signa. And this has been the dealer for this is we also have dealers, and you have the Jotan Waterworks, which is located in Aizawl, Mizoram, And you see, Ashok Leyland tipper is also having a truck. What you have seen, like Tata Signa, you only can have the Ashok Leyland, which is coming with 2820 series. The cost is going to be 40.35 lakh per unit, and they have the front axle forged I section, and they also have the reverse area type, and the rear axle ratio is going to be a full floating single speed rear axle ratio. They call RRR, RAR, rear axle ratio. It's going to be 6.5, and the engine is going to be BS6. Now it's like emissions. Emission norms you need to go for a BS6, where you need to reduce carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, nitrogen oxide emission. So that's why you're going for a BS6 version. Accordingly, the cost slightly it is getting increased because of this emission norms. Um, Even we have the emission norms for off highways like dozers, dumpers, excavators. You also have the emission norms. Um, and even it's similar to what we have for automobile, for a cars, bus, and also for the two wheeler. Similarly, this equipments also having some of the requirements which needs to be fulfilled by the manufacturer. And the maximum power of this Ashok Leyland tipper truck is going to be 200 horsepower at 2400 RPM, and the maximum torque is going to be 700 Newton meters at the rate of 1200 to 2000 RPM. You have the company called Bharat Benz, where the truck capacity is going to be 25,000 kg, and you have the cost which comes around 38 lakh per piece. The overall gross vehicle weight, as I said, it's going to be 25,000. Same thing what we have also compared with Ashok Leyland and also the Tata Sigma. Yeah, and again, but you see here the capacity of fuel tank is slightly lesser, 290 liter, and the maximum torque is going to come up to 850 Newton meter at the rate of 1200 to 1600 RPM. And the number of cylinders is going to be 6, and again, it is also going to compliance with Euro 6 norms or BS6 you call. In India you call it BS6, and in Europe you call it Euro 6. And this has been derived from Society of Automotive Engineers, SAE. Based on that, they also do a lot of testing, and they ensure that the emissions are controlled. And this company, the company, the department is nothing but a Daimler India Commercial Vehicle. They call DICV. This is located in a location called Oragadam in Tamil Nadu, place called Kanjipuram district. And you have a tipper truck which comes, this is a tipper truck which comes 18 lakh per unit. It's been manufactured in by RBAS Global Trading Private Limited, and the Electronic City is located in Electronic City. It's a Caterpillar CAT 1076 horsepower off-highway truck. The engine power is going to be 749 kilowatt, and in terms of horsepower, it is 1004 horsepower. This is also meeting the standard, and then it is coming up with different version like 749 kilowatt or 758 kilowatt or 708 kilowatt. Three version it is having, and the engine capacity is going to be 32.1 liter, and the fuel tank is going to be slightly higher, 1,140 liter. And you have Gainwell Common Sales Private Limited, that is a dealer for a Caterpillar vehicle, which is located in UP, a place called Gaudam Nagar in Greater Noida. Next is the water tankers. You have the water tanker, which is made up of mild steel, mild steel tractor, and the company brand here, what is shown here is Mahalakshmi Industries, which is located in Kanpur in UP. It's called Palanganj. And here the cost of this is going to be 85,000 per piece. Storage capacity of this water tanker is going to be between 5,000 to 10,000 liter. And the storage material, it can store the water basically, uh, and the capacity is going to be 5,000 to 10,000 liter. And the material of this the material what is shown in the blue is going to be a mild steel. The orientation is going to be horizontal. It's not a vertical kind of thing. It's going to be horizontal. Uh, and the maximum pressure it can stand is between 0 to 100 psi. And the same mild steel tractor water tanker, it is also being manufactured by a company called Ram J Agro Industries. It is located in Gujarat, a place called Himat Nagar, Sabarkanta, and under the name of RV, they manufacture and they sell it. And the capacity again is going to be 5,000 to 12,000 liter. And the price cost, see like here it is 10,000 and the price is 85,000. And here the capacity is going to be slightly higher. Accordingly, the product cost is also on the higher side. And the length is going to be 10 feet and depth is going to be 7 to 8 meters. You have another company called the Versa New Techno Industry, which is located in Ahmednagar, in Maharashtra, and it is coming up with three different capacity: 10,000, 20,000, and 30,000 liter. And they are also giving the warranty of 6 months, and the price is going to be 1 lakh per piece. This price will also vary depending upon the capacity. Okay. If some vehicles, some of the manufacturers they give a warranty up to 1 year, some they give up to 6 months. You also need to see all the things, and then it's not that one particular criteria alone you are considering when you purchase any equipment. All three criteria you have to look into it. We go for a next one, a single layer SRN water tanker. This is a water tanker having a capacity between 5,000 to 500 to 1,000, 15,000 liter basically. Cost is last year is 15,000. The cost again is going to be 2 lakh. And the layer is going to be single layer, and this has been manufactured by a company called SRN Enviro Engineers, which is located in UP, Ghaziabad. Previously we have seen a material called mild steel. The material of this tanker, water tanker, is going to be iron, and you see this comes around 1.2 lakh per piece. And the capacity, you see, this capacity is going to be 4,500 liters actually. And it comes with a length of 9 and 9.3. And it's available with different colors. And this is being manufactured in a company called Galaxy Playway Industries, Kurukshetra in Haryana. You have the tractor trolley, ripper, and the rotavator. We have seen all these things. And we have seen the ripper. I was telling you the ripper having the blade with a bucket which is used for the hard sand or hard rocks basically. You see, the rocks are going to be hard materials. Okay, this can be used. You also have the ripper. I told you you have hydraulic ripper as well as a vibro ripper. Vibro ripper comes around close to 33 lakhs. When you go for hydraulic ripper, sometimes when the cost will be higher, but even here, depending upon the capacity, the vehicle cost is going to be higher. So when you go up to 150 ton, then the cost will be going up to 50 lakh per unit. Then again, the material, the vibro material, the ripper material is going to be hydrox steel, and this can be used for underwater braking, and even for a mining application, this can be used. And even say when you're constructing any bridges, even this can be used. When you're constructing bridges in water, where you also need to break some of the materials in the in underwater braking SYDs can be used actually. And this has been done. This repair manufacturing is also done in a company called STM Construction Equipment India Private Limited, which is located in Navi Mumbai in Maharashtra in a place called Thane. You have Wintech Hardox Vibro Repair. Then this is going to be this is the one which is going to be having a capacity of 40 ton, and the cost is going to be 30 lakh per number, and the material is going to be Hardox, and you have the mount type which is on the top. It is mounted on the top basically. You see, this is a repair, okay, and where you are going to do the ripping activities, and the capacity is going to be 40 ton, and the manufacturer is Shootak Infrastructure Private Limited, which is located in Raigar. You see, this is the vibro repair. It is going to be 39.5 lakh per piece, and the power is going to be 251 kilowatt, and the vibration, the frequency is going to be 25 to 35 hertz. The material is going to be mild steel. If it is operate, if it's like hydraulically, you also operate, and you have the flow of oil. You have 200 to 250 liters per minute, and you have the hose, which is size of the hose is going to be 1 inch. The maximum splitting force is going to be 220 tons. And the manufacturer is GK Earth Movers and Equipments, which is located in a place called Indore in VIP Paraspar Nagar. You have the next important thing called hydraulic repair. Again, you have the cost which comes around 2.5 lakhs per unit, and here again capacity of the carrier weight is again slightly on the lower side, 18 to 26 tons, and the total weight is going to be 529 kilogram. This is mostly used for industrial application. You can find this company is good for hydraulic repair manufacturing. This place called Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, Singanallur. The company name is SMM Equipments Private Limited. It is a tractor trolley. It's been normally used for material handling equipment for roads and bridges. You would have seen, and again, this also needs to be purchased based on the capacity. It comes around 1.45 lakh per piece, and the manufacturer name is Rahul Lakshmi Tractor Trolley. It's used for loading application, and they also give the warranty of up to 1 year. They made steel trolley tractor trolleys, and it's not only for agriculture, even for the roads and construction purpose, for PWD, even for some other activities also we can use. This trolley the length of this trolley can be between 8 to 12 feet again. This is again manufactured from the industries from Rotas Farm. The cost is going to be 90,000 per piece. We have a tractor trolley which is having the capacity of 5 ton mild steel material. You can see, and you have the two-wheel tractor trolley. The size is going to be 10 into 6, which means about 60 mm. We have and this is manufactured in Nasik, a company called Sriraj Engineering from Makmalabad. Hydraulic tractor trolley is there, which costs 90,000 per piece, and it is also made up of mild steel, and number of wheel is going to be 2, and this has been manufactured in Jabalpur, Bihar, a company called V Industries, Trans JV Industry. Okay, you have a cast iron tractor trolley. where having a size of 10 into 6, and the capacity is going to be 12 ton. This can be used. It's not again. Even PWD is having different activities. Okay, and accordingly you can use this considering your application. And this is made in India. So whenever you go for like you also, I know you'll be encouraging to go for a make in India, made in India product. But at the same time, the performance is very much important. We should concentrate on the performance of the functions or the requirement is very much important. This is a tractor trolley again. You have a manufacturer from Gujarat. Uh, again RV. See here there are sometimes what happens. Some of the minimum sometimes they will ask you to order more than one. Okay, it's not that you need to purchase only one, but sometimes it depends on the uh, manufacturers, because for them also the ROI they call return on investment. They will also considering that they have their own strategies, and accordingly you can also see whether you want to have the two or one, and if you want to have only one, accordingly you can also uh, either go for contract activities, or you can also see whether the other one piece what you're going to buy you can use it for future activities or not. And this cost is going to be 3 point. If you are wrong, Vijay trailers, they also mentioned the name. It's four-wheel one. This is the rotavator called uh, rotavator we have seen, and the specification is going to be between 40 to 60 horsepower, and this is going to be 98,000 per piece. The height of this is going to be 1092 mm, and the power takeoff PTO means power takeoff speed is going to be 540 rpm, and the rotor speed is going to be 215 rpm, and the length of this is 1346 mm, and the working depth is 150 mm, and this has been manufactured in a company called Carter Agro Industries Private Limited, which is located in Patiala, Batsam. We have a multi-speed rotavator. If you see, this is the rotavator and different speeds. Cost of this is 85,000 per unit. And the model which is coming out with this name is UB rotavator. It is being manufactured by a company called UB Agro Industries, which is located in Rangat. And the blade shape, the blade type is L type. You can see it's almost L type. Okay. The blade what you have loaded with is L type. See, this completely you call this as a packet, and packet is having different blades. Okay. This is used for multi-speed, and this is L type, and the weight overall weight is going to be 500 kilogram. You have a Mahindra Gyrovator, which is 6 feet. The cost is going to be 78,000 per piece. And you see, the material what we are going to use here is mild steel, and this can be used for a power of 35 horsepower. And this is again manufactured in a company called Vishwakarma Engineering Works in a place called Gujarat in Rajkot. You're a jackhammer. This is what I have some video. I will show it to you. This jackhammer, even air compressor, how this is been very much useful for you during the construction. I will explain that as well. Uh, the cost of this jackhammer is going to be 16,500 per piece, and again, it's also based on the load speed what is going to have. And the air consumption of this is going to be 102 cubic feet per minute, per minute, and 20 to 25 air consumption will be good. It is going to be 24.5 kg. This is again manufactured by a company called Vishal Pneumatic Tools, located in Kolkata, in West Bengal. Arc Hammer IMT 105L drive. It comes with a price of 14,750, and the maximum hole size is 20 mm, and the type it's of a hammer drill, and the maximum drill depth is between 400 mm to 6,400 mm, and number of load with respect to the speed is 0 to 2000, and comes with a gray color, and this is manufactured in a company called Industrial Mining Tools Cooperative Private Limited, and is located in Taltala in a place called Kolkata in West Bengal. You might be knowing Myco Boss, and this Myco is also manufacturing the rock drill used for drilling the rocks, which can be further crushed with the help of presses. And this comes with a price of 90,500. And you see the air requirement is going to be 48 liters, means liters per second, and per 101 cubic feet per minute at the rate of 6 bar. The total length is going to be 565 mm, and the company name is Minotech Industrial Company. This is located in Kolkata in West Bengal. You have the air compressor, which comes, which is also very much essential for you. It comes with a capacity of 10 bar, and the price of this. And again, we have a lot of manufacturers for this compressor, air compressor. It comes around 18,800. And the type is going to be reciprocating type, and the power size is between 1.5 and even go up to beyond 2.5 horsepower as well. And company who manufactured this is Hulk Local. You have different pressure range. It can be 8 to 10 bar or 6 to 8 bar. And the air tank capacity is going to be greater than 40 liters, and comes with 8,500 or 200 liter air tank capacity as well. The manufacturer name is Lokpal Industries, which is located in New Delhi. When you have a air compressor, which is having the capacity of 150 liters, and the cost is going to be 65,000 per piece. And you have the discharge pressure in terms of bar will be less than 2 bar, and size you have this receiver size is 150 liters, and the overall horsepower is going to be 1 horsepower, and this air compressor is being manufactured by a company called Biotech Equipment Company. It's located in Delhi, place called Bhavana. This air compressor again having 5 horsepower and 10 horsepower, and the unit cost is 68,300. And this can be either air cooled or water cooled, and here we go with the air cooled one. And the power source is going to be AC single phase, and the number of compression stage is going to be single stage. You can have either single stage compressor or 2-stage compressor depending upon your requirement. Accordingly, the cost variation will happen. They are going to give 1-year warranty, and the manufacturer is Samrit Vayu Equipments Private Limited, which is located in Parkwan in New Delhi. Next, we will see the generator. I told you about a generator between. See, you need to have a generator based on your application. You can have the portable generator, which is having the range of different range and 7.5 kilo volts ampere, and according to the requirement you can use it, because these generators are very much essential for the electricity, and this will help you to do the work in the night time as well. So you need to select depending upon your requirement. You also have the different. I told you about the sizes. You can also select a different size depending upon your requirements. The overall weight of this portable is a Greaves, actually, Greaves Power, and it's manufactured by a company called Cotton Greaves India Limited, which is located in Pune, place called Chhattisgarh in Maharashtra. Compression ratio is going to be 18.1, and it is the residential, but this may not be applicable for you. And but but if you go for continuous one, like where you need to have the liquid application, like where you need to have the continuous power during the night time for you to carry out some of the work, then you can select according to the requirement. So this is one manufacturer called DPK Engineers Private Limited, which is located in Bangalore, JC Road, and here they manufacture a genset with a rating of 140 kilovolts ampere with liquid cooled one, and this is a high speed diesel. And the diesel generator, the brand name of Tata. Uh, they also have the dealers in UP, and they manufacture this diesel generator with a control panel having a maximum power of 45 kilowatt ampere. It's a three-phase one, and each product cost or a piece cost is going to be 4.13 lakh, and the voltage is going to be 1500 volts, and the frequency is going to be 50 hertz. And under the brand of Tata Reserve, and um, this company is going to sell the product. And we have also had a air cooled apart from liquid, and what we have seen here is liquid comes around 7.9, where we have the air is slightly lesser, okay? Because air is coming with can use this air cooling with lesser cost rather than going for a liquid cooling. And here we have a power rating up to 62.5 kilowatt ampere, and it has been coming up with a brand of Kirloskar Green, and it's been supplied by a company called Goyal Power Engineers from Andheri East in Mumbai. You have a next type called uh, smooth wheel roller, and uh, the smooth wheel roller. So we have seen different type of roller, right? Smooth wheel roller is one having the one wheel at the front and two wheel at the rear, and the diameter is going to be large at the front, and the rear it is going to be large, and front it is going to be less. Um, but because of the sizing of the picture, it is looking differently. Okay, so this roller is going to be costing around 2.65 lakh per unit, and this has been operated by a drive mode hydraulic, and it can be either forward or backward, and the vibrative frequency is going to be 60 hertz. The gravity is going to be 20 degree. And, this roller has been manufactured by a Topal Impacts company, which is located in Wasipur, New Delhi. We have a static road loader. This is a road roller of a static. Okay, here you can see the front wheel is lesser diameter than the larger wheel. Okay. This can be used, and again, this company called Uniworld Construction Equipment in UP. They also achieved this made in India, through manufacturing in India. So the cost is coming to be 6 lakh per piece, and the engine power of this static roller is going to be 110 horsepower at 2200 RPM. And they come with the brand of Uniworld itself. And the maximum speed, working speed is going to be 20 kilometer per hour. And the drum with what you have is 1000. And this is manufactured in Ghaziabad in UP. The company name is Uniworld Construction Equipment. So when I say width, there's a track width, the distance between this wheel center and this wheel center. Okay. And you have a company called Viswakarma Static Road Rollers, which is located in Munta in New Delhi. They manufacture this static road roller. And the engine they are going to get from Tata, and engine type is going to be water cooled. And that is the specification of the 17. It is having 17 feet 6 length, width, and height. It has 8 feet. And the number of cylinders is going to be 6. Going to be 65 horsepower. And is the industrial road loader, but still this has been quite common even in the roads and construction equipments where you go with operating weight of 8,000 kilogram, and you have the rolling width of 1850 mm, and you have the fuel tank capacity of 150 liters, and the diameter of the front loader is going to be 1030. The rear loader is going to be higher, okay, but the dimension is not mentioned here. But once you look into the catalog, you can also find out the things. You have an engine roll loader which has been manufactured by a next gen company which is located in UP in Ghaziabad, having a drum width of 1850 mm and maximum work speed between in the first gear it is having the ratio of 2.6, and the second gear the gear ratio is going to be 3.85. Third gear the ratio is going to be 6, and the fourth gear the gear ratio is going to be 8.3. This comes with a capacity of 8 ton, and the cost is going to be 6.50 lakh per piece. You have the vibratory loader, and vibratory paver loader. I told you the paver is being used for the roads where you need to have 4 lanes or 8 lanes applications. And here it's completely going to be automatic, and the each cost, the unit cost is going to be 3.6 lakh, and it comes with a brand of Orange. The company name is Orange Construction Equipment, which is located in Vasai East in Mumbai. And this is used for road construction work, this particularly as I said. This is going to be a water feeding system where it is going to be completely automatic. And the model name or the number what we have for this Orange construction unit is HTP 3-axis type. The overall weight is going to be 1100 kilogram. Next one is the vibratory loader, where it has been done by a company called with a brand name of Dynapac, and you have the outsourcing work which has been done by a company called Medini, and they also have the dealership in Bangalore, place called Uttarahalli. And what is the specification of this vehicle? It is having a drum with this is a drum. It is having a width of 1690 mm, and wheelbase. Wheelbase is nothing but the distance between um, front and the rear wheel. You call this 85 mm. You have the curb weight of the curb weight having the requirement the clearance of 370 mm. Each cost is 26 lakh per unit, where it comes with a drum width of 1690. The name is drum tandem vibrating roller. Again, this vibrating roller having a gradability of 30 degree and the frequency of 70 hertz. The cost is going to be 2.48 lakh per unit. And the manufacturer is, the brand is going to be, the engine gives 9 horsepower. And this has been done by Balaji Construction Machinery in Gujarat, in Rajkot. And the vibrating roller, again, it comes with 2.10 lakh per piece, where the weight is going to be 550 kilogram and the capacity is going to be 20 kilonewton. And this has been done in Maharashtra, in Mumbai, a place called Nalaspora by a company called Sona Construction Technologies Private Limited. This is the vehicle of a vibrating roller. It's a vibrating roller machine of a brand called Unicorn. It's a brand global link, which is located in Vikaspuri in Delhi. And the overall weight of this machine is going to be 580 kilogram, and water tank capacity is going to be 35 liter, and engine type is going to be air cooled diesel or it can be gasoline, and the compaction capacity is going to be 25,000 square feet per hour. The fuel tank capacity is going to be 8 liter. This dynamic machine is also having depending upon the weight, the cost can also be varied. So here the weight is going to be 800 kilogram, and accordingly the cost is also slightly on the higher side. It comes to 4.35 lakh per unit, and operating weight is 800 as I said. And this is located in Gujarat, in a place called Village Ahmedabad. And vibrating roller having an engine speed of engine power of 18 horsepower, where you have capacity of 50 kilonewton with a different size of 2100 into 1000. And the vibrating roller is also manufactured by Siva Construction under the brand of Siva. It is also a made in India product. You call it as like make in India converting to as made in India. Again, the vibrating frequency is going to be 60 hertz. The price is going to be 1.85 lakh per piece. You have the brand of Bellstone, which is located in UP, Ghaziabad, having a vibrating roller of rolling width. The rolling width is going to be 1000 mm, and the vibrating frequency is going to be 50 hertz, and the force which is going to act is 29.6 kilonewton, and the operating weight is going to be 300 kilogram. We have a pneumatic roller, it is a pneumatic roller where you have four or five wheels, where you can also increase the width for increasing the pressure, and then you can also make sure that you are applying proper pressure to the roads or bridges during the construction. So here the cost is going to be 50 lakh per unit when you go with a brand of Dynapac with operating mass of 27,000 kilogram, and the machine length is 5310, and the width is going to be 2370 mm. This is also, you have the company called Medini Engineering Service, which is located in Uttarahalli in Bangalore. they're selling this product with the brand of Dynapac.
Excuse me, sir, shall I borrow 30 seconds in between? It's make an announcement.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, yeah.
Yes, okay. I think we don't have much time to close this section. I would like to highlight one important point. We have sent the feedback form in this Google Meet platform. You can find it, and it will be grateful to all of you. Please fill up this Google form. That is the feedback form today itself. Okay, thank you very much. And we don't have much time left, and we can continue, please. Sir, please proceed.
Sir, and we go to the next because it's very difficult for me to cover all the things because I can also go in depth, but considering time limit, I'm also restricting some of the things, and even what I will do, I will email all these things so that I can also look into it. And if you guys any doubt you have, you can also contact me. I will give my mobile number and email ID at the end of the presentation. Okay, and next is the tandem roller, where the company called Avansis Engineering Private Limited, which is located in Hyderabad. And they manufacture this tandem drum vibrating roller. The cost is going to be 23 lakh per unit, and the capacity of this is going to be 76 horsepower at 2200 RPM. The maximum working speed is 12 km per hour. And the drum width is 1690, and it is of digital application. This has also been done by a company, Medini Engineering, with a brand name of Dynapac with 26 lakh per unit. It's also done with a company called Sri RD Constructions, which is located in Jaipur in Rajasthan, place called Lal Dungri. The cost is 5.5 lakh per piece. The surface of application where this tandem vibrating loader can be used is asphalt concrete pavement. We have the compactors, which is being manufactured by a company called Hydrotech Engineers, which is located in Pune, and they are selling it at the brand of Volvo. And again, you have a company called brand JCB, which has been the cost is going to be 9 lakh per unit when you go for this double drum tandem roller. You can also go for a rental as well. This is for a rental. We have the sheep foot roller. We have seen it also. It's coming with different size. Even this is for something like, even this is also being used for some of the agriculture activities. But for roads and roads activities, you can have it according to that. These are different manufacturers that you have. There are mini tandem rollers. This is coming up with manufacturers from New Delhi called Catalyst Engineering Service, and they also outsource it, and even the original manufacturer, they are selling it with a brand name of Escorts. Okay, and the original price is 11.30 lakh per unit, and we also have a mini tandem vibrating roller. It costs 4.5 per unit. And mini tandem rollers, what you have seen, it is also coming up with the brand Tandem. You have seen in most of the roads this tandem vehicle, and each unit cost is going to be 14.75 And double drum mini tandem is also there, and it has been coming with a brand of Dynapack, which comes 11.75 lakh per unit, and this has been supplied with a company called Avansis Engineering Private Limited located in Telangana and Hyderabad. We have some other rollers. These are some other rollers. What do you have? You have rollers which is coming with a brand name of Sona. And they have the gradability gradability in the sense that degree where it can go up. It can go up to 20 degree up the gradient. And you have the walk behind roller. It comes 2 lakh per unit piece, and it is manufactured under the brand of JP, which is located in Kolkata. These are some other minor plants and machines what you have. When you can also use this soil compactor having a capacity of 68 kilogram, and you have the plate size, and you have the motor power, and accordingly you can also use these machines. Okay, thanks for an opportunity, and I will now show you some of the videos. Okay, so I will show another 10-15 minutes. 10 minutes I will show you videos. Then you can ask your doubts, and I will send this presentation to IEA Kolkata, I mean IEA Kochi chapter. So they will be emailing it to the individual participants. And now, if you have any doubts after because we have limited time, even you can ask your doubts, or even you can email me, or if in case any clarification, you can also call me. And my email ID is p.arjunraj@gmail.com.